Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time, actually more than a week, but I'm Shreyashi and I'm a software engineer by profession, and I like to make videos on skincare, lifestyle, food and travel. As I was saying, I am meeting you after more than a week, 8-9 days, because I was shifting, so there was a lot of things going on, but now I'm settled in, so I am going to bombard you with all these videos. And for today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to repair your skin. So when the weather changes or when you're traveling, there are so many factors that affect your skin. And when these things happen, you tend to feel that your skin has been damaged, your skin's barrier has been damaged. You sometimes, when the weather suddenly changes from winters to summer or summer to winter, then you find that, especially during spring season, you will find that you have redness and itchiness and flaky skin. Even when you're traveling, if you're traveling to different cities or countries where the weather is completely different, you will see that. A similar thing happened with me also recently, where I was seeing a lot of itchiness, and I had like flaky skin around my mouth and my nose. So yeah, that is why I decided to make this video. So before starting as to how to repair your skin, let's talk about what your skin does. So your skin is your largest organ, and it is kind of a protection for your internal organs. All the organs are inside your skin, right? So your skin is like a barrier for all those organs. And your skin has got multiple layers, okay? And the main three layers, the primary three layers, are your epidermis, which is the topmost layer. Then you have the dermis, and then you have the subcutaneous tissue, or that is the fat, the gooey fat inside your skin. So these are the three things that, primarily the three things. There are many more things inside, but these are the three things that your skin comprises of. So when do you identify that your skin has a damaged barrier? Your barrier, the protector of your skin, is damaged. When do you identify that? So there are a lot of things that can happen. You can face redness, inflamed skin. Sometimes the doctor or the dermats call it inflamed skin, the redness. You have irritation, irritated skin. Then you have like flaky skin. As I was telling you, I had flaky skin all over around my face and my mouth. Itchiness, constant itching. Then you can have burn. You can also have pain. So there are a lot of things that can be a symptom of your irritated skin. All right. Now, what are the root causes? So there are multiple causes for this. It can be external, it can be internal. So talking about the internal root causes of your damaged skin barrier, the internal causes can be, first and the foremost, stress. That is something that really contributes to your damaged skin barrier, which is stress. And then the second thing can be your genetics. You are genetically predisposed to having like a damaged skin barrier, which needs to be constantly looked into. Then there could be medical conditions, for example, diabetes. A lot of diabetic people have damaged skin, damaged barrier, basically, not damaged skin, but the damaged barrier. And then coming on to the external factors, you have, as I was saying, extreme weather conditions, then travel conditions, then in the months of spring, you have like allergies and, pollen allergies and stuff like that. And a lot of these things are also dependent on how you are following up with your routine. So as I always say, that you need to do this in your routine, do that in your routine. One of the most contributing factors for your damaged skin barrier is over exfoliation. If you're over exfoliating, every day if you're exfoliating. So I always say minimum 2 weeks a night, maximum 3 weeks a night. That is it. That's how much exfoliation you need. So if you're over exfoliating, you're overstripping your skin, and your skin is suffering because of that. See, possibly the reasons, there could be other reasons as well, but these are the reasons that I've usually seen with people. Okay, now jumping straight away into how to repair your skin, how to repair that damaged barrier of your skin. The first and the foremost thing that you have to do is you have to simplify your skincare routine, okay? You have so many steps in your skincare routine. You have cleansing, toning, serums, depending upon the treatment that you're going on, treatment, moisturizers, and then you have, different serums and then you have protection. So many things, right? You need to cut down. You need to simplify. And what does it mean by simplify? Is like remove the extra steps that you have been following. Okay, if you're following extra steps, just get it over with. Just remove those steps. The second thing that I would highly recommend is avoiding all actives at any cost. So when I had a damaged skin or damaged skin barrier, I stopped exfoliating, and I also stopped using retinol. These are really harsh onto your skin, okay? These do wonders to your skin, but if used on a damaged barrier, they can really aggravate the condition, and you do not want that. You first need to let your skin heal, and then you need to move forward with these actives, okay? So at all cost, avoid all actives, avoid all of your chemical exfoliations, avoid all of your retinols, everything, every active serum that you've been using. I would say even avoid vitamin C if you want. You just make it simple. Just simplify it completely. And then what you want to do is you need to really moisturize your skin. You need to hydrate it really well. So when you are going to hydrate your skin, give it the lost hydration, then it will soothe, it will calm down. Okay, so you need to focus on calming down your skin. You need to focus on nourishing your skin. You need to focus on healing your skin well. So hydrate your skin, apply your moisturizers, use hydrating cleansers, use hydrating serums, use hydrating moisturizers for it. And then something that not a lot of people take into consideration is occlusives and humectants. So what humectants do is they draw in moisture into your skin, okay? From the external surroundings, they will draw in all the moisture into your skin. And what occlusives do is they lock and seal in that moisture. So for example, hyaluronic acid, okay? It's a humectant. Your glycerin is your humectant. I would say more than hyaluronic acid, use glycerin because it's a very amazing humectant. I also remember my father using glycerin during the winter months. He would take glycerin and apply it all over his face, and then ask us to do the same. So it really locks in all the moisture that is around. And hyaluronic acid, again, this one is from Ordinary. I tend to use it when I feel dehydrated or anything like that. So, and then we come to occlusives. Occlusives lock in and seal all the moisture. So what I usually do when I have a damaged skin barrier is I cleanse my face, and then I use like a glycerin or hyaluronic acid serum, and then I will apply my moisturizer, and then I will lock this in with a Vaseline. This one is a really big tub of Vaseline. You do not get this in India. I got it from the US. You know, people get scared that no, we can't really apply this Vaseline onto your face because they fear of breaking out and everything. But no, it doesn't really happen. Sometimes people feel that they are getting milia. Milia are like white, kind of white spots onto your face after applying an occlusive like this one. But that is because you've not exfoliated your skin. You have dead skin cells. But that is a different topic. Right now we're not talking about milia. But yeah, what I do is I use my cleanser, use my humectant, either glycerin or hyaluronic acid, whatever is available at the moment. I am out of glycerin, so I'm just showing you hyaluronic acid, but mostly I prefer glycerin over hyaluronic acid. And then I use my moisturizer, like top it off with my moisturizer, and then I will take this and apply a thin layer of my occlusive all over my skin. So it will just lock in all the moisture, and you don't really have to worry about your skin losing all that moisture because it really just needs all of that moisture. One more thing that you should avoid is essential oils. If in any of your product, or if you're using like a lavender oil or tea tree oil or any other kind of essential oil, just be mindful that it doesn't really suit your skin, okay? If it's already damaged, if it's already inflamed, the barrier, you should just at all costs avoid using an essential oil. And another good humectant or cream is your La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Balm B5, and another one is your Avène's Cicaflate. All of these have a lot of good humectants and ceramides. That the one that I am using currently is this Barrier Plus. This one I've also shown in my previous videos. This one has ceramide and peptide. So ceramide also helps. It's one component that really works on healing your skin barrier. So if you're using a moisturizer, please use a ceramide based moisturizer. This is what I use at night in order to heal and repair my skin, because my night routine is more focused on healing and rejuvenating my skin. So that is why I use this one from the FormulaRx. Yeah, so I think all of these things really will help you calm down your skin, get rid of that irritated skin. But you know, again, all of these are some things which kind of work when the condition of your skin is not very critical. You know, if you feel that, or even smaller things like this is not helping out, I would definitely highly recommend you to seek medical guidance. You know, your dermat will be able to tell you what is actually aggravating your condition, because sometimes certain foods also lead to it. So if it's internal, all of these things are not going to help you unless you stop eating that food group or that food substance that you've been eating that has aggravated this condition, right? So yeah, if in that scenario, please seek medical guidance, go to your dermat, ask them what could be the issue, and then take it from there. Be mindful of your skincare routine. You know, there is so many things in the market today. You don't have to try everything out. Just figure out what will work well for your skin, okay? You don't have to run into and buy everything possible, okay? So yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will be happy to help. Okay, all right. I will see you next time. Bye.